Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and while I was traveling, I recently lost my power cable for my Echo 2. I wanted to make sure that I got the right charger for it, so I got the original power cable for the Echo 2. The cord is built very well. It's a very good material. It's strong in the ends of it, so I can bend it in any way and it doesn't break or wear down. The cable is built into the block, which is very sturdy too and has survived a few drops already. It works great. I just plugged it and immediately my Echo turned on. I really like that the cable itself is pretty long. It's about 6 feet long, which is very convenient because I have room to move my Echo around my table if I need to. So if you're also looking to get the original, the official power cable, this is the one to get. It won't disappoint. It works great, and that is my point of view.